The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Staten Island in southeastern New York until 9:15 p.m. At 6:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.75 to 1.25 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newark, Elizabeth, Bayonne, Plainfield, Linden, Summit, Milburn, Harrison, Port Richmond, Clark, Union, Irvington, Westfield, Broadway, Maplewood, Scotch Plains, Cranford, Hillside, Roselle and South Orange. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Essex, Hudson and Union, and Staten Island, New York. A severe thunderstorm warning.